this is designed in a very square like shape, and it is extremely, this is your entire kitchen area space. The tiling is again, this is going to be your master bedroom, or you can tell your third. So here's presenting SVNR The Breeza by SVNR Constructions. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of SVNR The Breeza by SVNR Constructions located in Narsingi, Hyderabad. Before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office, and this place that I'm standing in right now is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you about Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. So the first one is the project overview. You see, this project is constructed on 1 acre of land parcel featuring 1 tower with ground plus 5 floors, having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the amenities part, you are going to get here a lot of set of amenities which includes basketball court, badminton court, swimming pool and a lot more. Coming over to the location, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad. Now, the connectivity from here for Nehru Outer Ring Road is just 4 kilometers away. Then there's the Golconda Fort, which is also just 6.3 kilometers away from here. Hello everyone, now we will be doing the actual flat tour for SVNR The Breeza for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1737 square feet. Now as we enter, we first have a wooden door, so it has the normal key lock system. And from there, this is going to be your entire first living area space. If you see, this is designed in a very square like shape and it is extremely spacious. So your TV comes on that side of the corner, your couches can fill this entire space area, and if you want, you can still add a lot of things on this area like your shoe rack, and you have a small window system right in front of that. As we move forward, you first have another small space corner on this side. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner, or you can add your bookshelf or design it as per your choice. Space, so if you want, you can design this however you like, or you can connect this with your kitchen area. So you can add a dining area, table space on this side of the corner, even ending up till here. And then right in front of this corner, you also happen to have a washroom space. So this is going to be a common washroom area space. So if you can see, the tiling and flooring is done nicely, and this washroom is also elongated and really spacious. On that side of the corner, you also have an exhaust fan. Coming to our kitchen area space corner, like I mentioned, it can be added near your dining area space. So this is your entire kitchen area space. The tiling is again very cozy and comfortable here, and you also have a small window system right below your chimney. So if you want, you can add your chimney on that side of the corner. Now coming over to your utility space area balcony for your kitchen. So this gives you a direct access viewpoint of the outside's entire colony. And the tiling and flooring done inside this is also perfect. So you can add your laundry systems there, your washing machine, you have proper tap system and drainage system as well. And you have a small structure given there. So if you want, you can sit, you can turn that into a table and use to wash your clothes. Entering into our first bedding area, so this is what it looks like, and if you can notice, this is also very spacious and beautiful. You can turn that into your kids area. You have 2 different window systems. This is one of your window system and this is your other window system. So this also gives you the same direct access viewpoint of the entire colony from outside, and there is railing properly done and proper structure given to your balcony. For the room, again, this is extremely spacious, so your bedding can come on this side of the corner and you have a lot of wardrobe and study area space on this corner. So this is going to be a second area room. If you want, you can turn this into your guest room. This also comes with an attached washroom and another small window. This also is extremely spacious. Your whole bedding can cover this corner of the area. You have a lot of space to turn wardrobe, or if you want, you can change and design it into walk-in closet. So this is going to be your attached washroom. If you notice, the tiling and flooring again is unique in this washroom, and it is very elongated washroom design space. So your toiletry system and your shower system can be divided perfectly, and you have proper exhaust fan as well. Now before we enter into our master bedroom, let me tell you about Housey. So as soon as you go to our website, you get all the information of project like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, EMI, down payment and exclusive pricing details as well. And you also get a 360 virtual tour of the project. If you want to come for site visit, which is free, you can click in the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to our Housey's website. Now this is going to be your master bedroom, or you can tell your third bedroom. As you can notice, this is already extremely very spacious, and there are a lot of corner spaces designed perfectly. So your study corner can be coming on this side. You can also add a TV corner on that side, and your bedding system also can be added right here on this corner. You have proper wardrobe area space, and even after that you have a lot of space to add a dressing table on this side of the corner. Then of course this room also comes with an attached washroom, which is a little more spacious compared to your other room, and this is also very elongated, and you have a lot of tiling and flooring done perfectly, drainage systems and the exhaust fan system that has been added. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about this project. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.